book report about Dogman, the last one. I have the book, all of the books, and it might be inappropriate for some people. This is Dogman Modern Heights, and it's from Dave Pilkey, and it's the creator of Captain Underpants. I definitely, some of you don't know Dogman, but it is a very good book, and it's about somebody called Petey. And Petey, this is Petey, this one. And when in the beginning he was evil, but then he got a new son, and his son teached him how to be good. And his son was like really good to him because he was super duper teached and nice. And he has two friends called Dogman. It's this one, the dog-headed cop, dog-headed man. He's a cop. And he also has this robot called ADHD. I'll show you a picture of him. ADHD must be there. A picture of ADHD. Okay, found you. This is ADHD. See, that's ADHD. The robot shaped as a bowling ball, and this cat isn't Petey. It is Grandpa. He's a very evil cat. He's not good like Petey, but he's his Grandpa is Petey's dad, and it's little Petey's grandpa, and he's the evilest cat ever, and he got to escape from jail, and he actually isn't a very good cat. I hope you like this channel, and you come back soon. Bye!